Yo, what's up? Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the pouting filter on TikTok. So this is a cool, funny little filter that you can go ahead and use to have some fun with your friends. So to get the filter, all you need to do is go to the TikTok camera, and you go to the TikTok camera by tapping on the plus icon in the middle at the bottom. Once you're on the camera, what you want to do is tap on effects there at the bottom left hand corner. And you can see this is a trending filter at the moment. You can see if I move it to the top of the screen or the top of the trending filters, the second one in the first row is the pouting filter. So all I would need to do is tap on that one with the yellow face and the lips. If I tap on that, you can see that is what the filter looks like, and you can go ahead and basically prank your friends by putting the filter on them when they don't expect it. So if you're not finding the filter from within this effects gallery, what you can do is go back, and then you can tap on the discover option there next to the home button on the right hand side of the home button. And then in the search bar, you can tap on the search bar once, and then you just want to type pouting, and you can see the auto suggestion pops up there. So I can tap on pouting. Now, if you don't see that it says effects at the top of the page, you can go ahead and just tap on any one of these videos, and they should have the effect loaded into the video. So you can see above the person's username, it says pouting. You can go ahead and tap on that filter icon. That's going to take you to the effects page. You can add it to your favorites so you can quickly get access to it later. You can browse all the videos using the filter, get some inspiration, or tap on the camera button at the bottom to use the filter. And you can see there's the filter in action. So that's pretty much it, nothing much to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok filters. Take care.